Graphic design is an integral part of social media marketing. And if you want high quality, awesome graphic design, it costs a lot. There is a tool with which you can create awesome graphic design without paying anything. In this video, I am going to explain about that. Hi, I am Abdul Wajid. Welcome back to my channel. There are hundreds of free graphic designing softwares and tools available online, but one of them stands out. It is Canva. It's an Australian startup created by Melanie Perkins and team, and recently they have acquired a lot of investments to their platform because they are creating a platform which is actually helping even millennials to create eye-catching designs. And the important thing about Canva is Canva has made a lot of acquisition in the recent times, which made their platform even stronger. And they have acquired Ztings, which made them very capable tool when it comes to presentations, and they have acquired Pixabay and Pexels, which helped them grow the stock photography or the stock photographs in Canvas tool. And they have also very recently acquired Kalido.ai, who is the owner or the parent company of Remove.bg, which is one of the best websites or best tools to remove the background of images, and they have also recently acquired Smart Mockups. Clubbing all these together, we can without an iota of doubt say that Canva is amazing. So the problem with freelancers for our graphic design purpose is, like, if you are going to sites like People Per Hour or Fiverr, you are going to pay them. There are a lot of gigs that are dirt cheap, but when it comes to the quality they are providing, it's mediocre at the best. And if you are not satisfied with the designs, you can ask for 1 or 2 revisions, which will not be help you express your ideas. So it is wise that if you have a little bit of creativity in you can actually do it all yourself. Canva is such a great tool that you can avoid a lot of graphic designing courses and a lot of headache. So let's get into the video where I explain about Canva and how you can browse through the Canvas interface.
As I have already introduced in the intro of this video, Canva is really a powerful tool that you can use to create your social media posters. And once you sign in with your Gmail account, you can just use the Google sign in to log into this account tool without going through the sign up phase. Okay, and you can see that there are a lot of options here, like templates for presentation, Instagram post template, logo templates, poster, Instagram stories, videos, a lot of those. And you can actually see that if you have used this tool previously, you will have all the options saved, all those designs saved in this tool. Okay, and they also show it was Eid a few days ago, and they will show a lot of Eid posters here, which you can choose and edit, and you can add your name, logo, or whatever that is necessary on these images, and you can change the colors. And if you have a little bit of creative ideas, you can change a lot of things in this and make this really yours, and you can use that on your social media. Isn't that cool? If I want to create a LinkedIn poster, they have the option for every single dimension that can be used in LinkedIn. If I want to have, let's try some newer things like TikTok. Yeah, they have got even templates for TikTok videos. Or if we want to create an image for Instagram account, we can go with all the different story types and different dimensions that Instagram accepts. We can, for the sake of this video, we can go with the Instagram stories, Instagram posts, and I'm going to customize this. These are paid ones, and you have to look for the free ones that can really help you, literally help you. Okay, this is in Hindi poster depicting the social distancing thing. I'm going to choose this one and gonna edit for my specific need. Okay, you can change the colors of the background. I'm just going with some random numbers. You can find like this hex code using Google or some other color picker tool, and I'm going to go with that. And if I'm not satisfied with the color, I can just go and select the color manually, like this is too much. This is perfect. Okay, and you can come here and you can actually use your logo. And since this logo I designed this logo using Canva with the FX thing. For every account they give 3 times. You can use this tool to remove the background 3 times. You can just create another account and do this, and that's really beautiful. Like you can choose the open sans, and I'm trying this like maintain social distancing, and let's beat COVID-19. So in some of the images that they have already given in this example templates, you can really change a lot of things on these design elements. Like I'm going to change the shirt color, and also I'm going to change this lady's jacket to red. Okay, this is the way you can actually work with Canva. This is a very simple tool, and you can actually use this tool to create a lot of social media posters, and you will definitely love working with Canva. Thank you so much for watching.
I am confident that using this tool you can create amazing graphic design and help your goal of being a great social media creator. And this tool can actually make your designs look professional. I hope you have loved this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Happy marketing.